and oink, air and oink, everywhere and oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Where is the rabbit? I do not see it.
E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a rabbit. E-I-E-I-O. With a hop, hop here and a hop, hop there. Here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop, hop. Old MacDonald had a
Good
farm.
boy, good boy.
E-I-E-I-O. Is that your horse?
Yes, this is my horse. His name is Bruno. Let's go see the farm.
Old
Let us go see the
MacDonald
beautiful
had a
horse
farm.
inside.
E-I-E-I-O.
Look at
And
my
on
horse
this
farm.
he had a horse.
The horses are so beautiful.
With a neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm.
What was that sound?
E-I-E-I-O.
I know that
Old
sound. Let's go
MacDonald
see.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Here it is,
And on
the
this
big
farm he
elephant.
had an elephant. E-I-E-I-O.
Another elephant is coming.
Timmy and his friends saw the elephant with a paw-hoo, paw-hoo here and a paw-hoo, paw-hoo there. Here a paw-hoo, there a paw-hoo, everywhere a paw-hoo, paw-hoo.
We sure are
Timmy and his
excited to
friends
see you.
enjoyed the farm. E-I-E-I-O. Thank
Come on,
you,
kids.
Old
Time to head back to the
MacDonald.
van.